Check out this pre-owned 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Toyota has less than 167,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass.